The iPhone 18 lineup is shaping up to be the boldest leap in Apple's smartphone history. If current leaks hold, this won't be a routine refresh, it's a full-scale rethink of Apple's hardware. Strategy with a 2 nanometers, a 20-chip built for next-gen AI, a re-engineered camera system, upgraded connectivity, smarter thermals, and even a radical Pro design that subtly reveals the phone's internals. Let's start with the release plan. Insiders say Apple is preparing a staggered rollout for 2026, a first in modern iPhone history. The iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max are expected to launch in September, while the standard iPhone 18 and a new iPhone 18 era, lighter model likely replacing the Plus, could arrive a few weeks later. This two-phase strategy may help Apple prioritize 2 nanometers chip yields, smooth supply chain pressure around new camera components, and give the Pro models a spotlight as Apple leans harder into AI and computational photography. At the heart of the lineup is the A20 chip on TSMC's cutting-edge 2 nanometers process. The node shrink should deliver major gains in thermal performance, power efficiency, and transistor density, unlocking a redesigned neural architecture rumored as an AI fusion engine. Expect on-device LLM-class capabilities that feel instantaneous, natural voice actions without cloud delays, real-time intelligent scene optimization in photos and video, blazing fast offline translations, and near-instant object and text recognition, all running locally with far greater speed and reliability. For the first time, Apple is also rumored to standardize memory across the lineup. Every iPhone 18 model base and Pro could ship with 12 gigabytes of RAM. That matters because Apple is expected to push more persistent AI features onto the device, keeping background intelligence responsive without offloading as much to the cloud and narrowing the traditional performance gap between the Pro and non-Pro models. Connectivity is getting a serious upgrade. A new in-house C2 modem, likely built with partner support, aims for lower latency, better 5G carrier aggregation, and improved battery life during heavy network use. Wi-Fi 7 is expected across the lineup for high-throughput gaming, smoother AR streaming, lossless Apple Music, and high-resolution Apple Vision Pro mirroring. There's also early testing around Bluetooth 6.1, which could reduce input lag for gaming controllers, improve next-gen AirPods performance, and stabilize smartwatch connectivity if the spec is finalized in time. Displays on the Pro models should keep their 6.3-inch and 6.9-inch LTPO OLED panels with 120 Hz promotion, but with cleaner aesthetics, thinner, more symmetrical bezels, and peak brightness that could reach around 3,400 nits, ideal for HDR, outdoor visibility, and Pro workflows. The dynamic island may shrink slightly thanks to tighter sensor placement. Under-display Face ID is reportedly in active prototyping, but most analysts don't expect full deployment until the iPhone 19 Pro due to off-axis and light diffusion challenges. The camera system looks like Apple's biggest jump in years. The iPhone 18 Pro is rumored to feature a 4.8MP primary camera with a variable aperture for better low-light control and more accurate background blur, a 4.8MP ultrawide with improved macro sharpness, and a 6.4MP periscope telephoto offering up to 10 optical zoom with reduced chromatic aberration. For the Pro Max, Apple is said to be testing a 1-inch class 200MP stacked sensor, an aggressive move for a company that usually favors computational tuning over extreme resolution. If approved, expect exceptional detail, next-level Pro RAW flexibility, lossless style 4 and 8 zoom via advanced binning, and cleaner low-light shots powered by the A20's neural engines. Video features are also rumored to get a big lift. Think AI-stabilized dolly tracking for gimbal-like motion, dynamic subject relighting to fix harsh shadows, cinematic gray color mapping, and an instant scene switch mode that automatically adjusts lens behavior and color profiles as you move between shooting scenarios. Thermals are a major focus after past heat concerns. Apple is reportedly refining the stainless steel vapor chamber cooling system introduced on the iPhone 17 Pro Max and pairing it with the cooler running 2 nanometers at 20. The goal? Sustain high frame rates in AA mobile gaming, longer 4K and potentially 8K recording sessions, and heavy AI workloads without throttling. Battery life should benefit from stacked cell technology, delivering an estimated 10 to 15% endurance boost without increasing size. Wired charging is expected to hover around 30 West, with MagSafe wireless near 25 West under the G2 spec. Smarter thermal management may allow peak speeds to hold longer before stepping down, translating into more consistent real-world charging times. Apple's AI strategy for this generation looks hybrid. Reports suggest a multi-billion-dollar deal with Google to bring a specialized, privacy-protected Gemini model into Siri via Apple's private cloud compute, keeping data encrypted and inaccessible even to Google. In parallel, Apple is advancing its own Ajax family of models for on-device and Apple Cloud tasks. The result could be a faster, more conversational, context-aware Siri that executes dynamic tasks while preserving Apple's privacy stance. Design might be the most unexpected twist. Multiple leaks point to a frosted, partially transparent back panel on the iPhone 18 Pro models, a minimalist window that subtly reveals elements like the wireless charging ring, battery insulation, and portions of the logic board. It's not a full nothing phone look. It's a restrained, premium take that nods to the iMac G3 era while staying true to a modern Pro aesthetic. If it ships, it would mark the first time Apple intentionally reveals internal components on an iPhone, signaling a fresh, retro-futuristic design language. All of this is based on prototypes and supply chain reporting, and Apple often tests multiple paths before locking a final design. Still, the consistency of recent leaks points to a bold iPhone 18 direction defined by 2 nanometers AI acceleration, dramatic camera upgrades, cleaner and brighter displays, stronger connectivity, smarter cooling, longer battery life, and a Pro design that dares to break tradition. If even half of these rumors land, the iPhone 18 won't just be another update, it will be Apple's clearest statement yet about where smartphones are headed in the AI era. The iPhone 18 lineup is powered by the A20 chip, built on TSMC's next-gen 2 nanometers process. Expect faster AI performance, better battery efficiency, cooler thermals, real-time on-device AI tasks. This includes instant voice actions, offline translations, and next-level scene detection.